Hey everyone, this is Sash Pro Ace on Minecraft. So guys, I'm gonna tell you how to summon mobs to their real form. So let's go guys and let's make it. First you gotta get your red stained glass, redstone, a lever, and a command block. So guys, let's do it right now. So first guys, you're gonna need to dug your command block there. Oh, I mean right there. Yeah. Now after that guys, you gotta put that red stained glass there. Well, let's make this good. So after that, to connect the command block to a redstone, drag two holes and get it to the lever. So guys, after that, let's cover it with our stained glass. And let's put it like that. So after that guys, we better put and command there. So we need to go to that summon lightning bolt. That's guys, and let's make on repeat.
Command set, summon lightning_bolt.
Let's put this off first because it's gonna really make him no. Let's put our first creeper. Creeper. So let's put it right there. Oh. We're ready in 3, 2, 1. Did you see that guys? Oh my gosh. Oh man. Can you just see that? Let's put our that's done. So let's kill it first. After that guys, we need to get our witch. Oh, I mean zombie. Oh no, not zombie. Yeah, let's get our zombie too. Zombie and villager. You always know guys that the zombie and the villager is really angry to each other. So first let's put in. Oh, it's burning. I don't know guys if this will happen, so he died. Okay guys, let's go. Oh, he died. So I don't know about that. So let's put our villager there. I'm gonna kill you! You're so scary, you're so close to me. I'm really scared of you. That is for today guys, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.